Hello friends, welcome back to my virtual classroom. Our today's lesson is about surface area. Surface area is similar to area, like how to find the area of any shape, but we use area only for 2D shapes. All right, so we use area for 2D shape when we have to find the length times width. It means we need two dimensions. So length, so I'm gonna write length times width. You can find the area of any shape, 2D shape. Surface area, we use surface area to find the area of 3D shapes. All right, and the easiest way to find the surface area is, for surface area you need to find the area of each individual face. So in this shape is called a rectangular prism. Rectangular prism. And we know that in rectangular prism there are 6 sides, or it's called 6 faces. All right, so I have this rectangular prism over here. So since this rectangular prism has 6 faces and like 6 sides, so we have to find the area of each individual faces and we sum it up. So we find the area of each individual 6 faces, and we just add all the area of all 6 faces. 6 faces and we add. All right, and this way it's very easy to find the surface area of your 3D shape. So here I use an example of a rectangular prism. If you have a triangular prism like this, so triangular prism, you have to find the area of the faces. So you have 2 triangular faces. So you have to use the area for formula for the area of triangle, that is base times height divided by 2. Since you have 2 similar faces, front and back, you can times. So I'm going to use this shape and I'm going to find the surface area of this triangular prism. So I'm going to quickly draw the triangular prism and we will see how to find the surface area of this triangular prism. So as we know that this triangular prism has 2 triangular faces, so I'm going to do it this way. So all right, so this is my triangular prism. So we have 2 triangular faces and we have 3 rectangular faces. So these 2 rectangular faces, these 2 are identical, this one and this one. This is different, and the front and the back are identical for the triangular prism. So let's see, imagine if this is the area, this side of a triangle is 4, this side is 6, and the height of a triangle, let's take 3. All right, so the height of the triangle is 3. Now, and this slanted side is, let's take this slanted side as 5. All right, so first we have to find the area of triangle. We will use a simple formula for the area of triangle, that is base times height divided by 2. So if our base is 4 for this triangle and height is 3, 4 times 3 is 12 divided by 2, we get 6. So 6 is the area. Let's use the unit centimeter. So 6 centimeter square is the area of this face. So let's consider this face. The area for this face is 6 centimeter. Since we have 2 of the similar triangular faces, so we're going to keep on adding for the surface area. I'm going to use the short-term surface area. So we have 2 triangular faces. If the area of one face is 6, then 6 times 2 equals 12. So the area of 2 faces is 12. Now we have to find the area of this rectangle face. So since we have 2 identical faces, so if we know the area of one face, we can times by 2. So that we'll get the area of these 2 top faces. So if this is 6, so we will say, I'm going to use this space now. So this is a rectangular face. So we know that the formula for the rectangular area is again just length times width. So my length is 6 and my width is 5. So 6 times 5 is 30. So how many faces again? We have 2 faces. So we're going to do 2 rectangular faces equals 30 times 2. We're going to get 60. And now we are just left this bottom face. This is also rectangle. So this is not identical to this. That's why we didn't times by 3. We have only 2 identical faces. So for this face, the measurements would be 6. So the bottom, so we'll say bottom rectangle or bottom face. Length is 6 again. Length times width, where length is 6 and the width is 4. That's 24. So only one bottom rectangular face. So that's only one rectangular face at the bottom, and that's my area is 24 centimeters square. Now, since we have found the area of all 5 faces in the triangular prism, so in order to find our surface area is the sum of all the sum of the area of all faces. So here we have 12 centimeters square plus 60 centimeters square plus 24 centimeters square. When we add all these numbers, we're going to get 60, 70, 80, 90, 94, 95, 96. 96 centimeters square is the surface area of this triangular prism. Although it's look a little different, but imagine this is a same triangular prism over here. So in order to find the surface area, we have to find the area of each individual face, and we add up all the areas together to find the surface area. Easy. Same thing if it's a rectangular prism. We have 4 identical faces. So if you know the area of one face, you don't have to find the area of individual face over and over again. You can just times by 4 because they are identical faces. Okay, if you know the area of one face, you can times by 4, and you can find the area of 4 faces. Then find the area of this square, times by 2 because you have 2 identical faces. Once you have the area of all 6 faces, add them up, and that's going to be your surface area of your rectangular prism. So hope you find this video useful. Again, if you have any question, just feel free to leave your question in the comment box. And as I said before, I'll try my best to explain it to you in my next video. Thank you.